guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm finally going to be lowering my car. I've been waiting so long to finally do it, and the time has finally come. I have the Tein, whatever you want to call it. I call them Tein, so I'm going to refer to them as Tein, but I'm probably saying that wrong. Everyone says it different though, so I have no idea what is right, to be honest. These are the Tein S Tech lowering springs, and they just got here today. I'm so excited to open them and show you guys. I'm not installing them today, sadly, but sometime over the next few days I'm going to be. I know they're not coilovers, and I should have gone with coilovers, but to be honest, I don't have the funds for it. Like, I don't. I'm broke, and I'm impatient. So I wanted to do this already, but what am I gonna do, you know? So I think this was my second best option, but of course I do plan on getting coilovers at some point, so don't come at me. I know. Let me show you guys the part number. I got these from FT86 Speed Factory, and I got them honestly because they were having like a coupon code for this whole thing. These are originally, I believe, $300, and I got them for like less than $200, like $180 something, including shipping, including tax. These springs, they're supposed to give me a 1.3 inch drop in the front and a 1 inch drop in the rear. So I'm very excited to do this. I already want to do it, but I literally have no time. That's why I'm waiting until some point later in like the week. This is what the front ones are gonna go on, and this is the one with the 1.3 inch drop, and this one's the 1 inch drop for the rear. These are good because they're a progressive spring rate, so they're perfect for daily driving, which is what I'm doing. I drive my car every day, so I want it to be something suitable for that. It comes all with these rubber cushionings on them, which is really good to reduce noise and stuff, and it comes with stickers. Tein gives you a 1-year warranty on them. It's pretty good. Here's the instruction manual. I don't know if you can see that. In a few days, I'm going to be installing these, and I'm very excited. And yeah. So I'll see you guys in a few days.
Several days later.
Jack up the car. So I just took out the line for the ABS sensor, and when you're taking this off, make sure to be careful with the clips because they are plastic and can break easily. Now I'm gonna take off these 2 bolts that are holding the brake assembly to the strut with the 19mm socket. So I'm taking off this 12mm bolt that's holding on the brake line. So I'm going to take this 17mm nut that is holding the end link to the strut. So I actually put the bolt back in to hold the weight of the suspension, so it makes it easier when I take out these 3 nuts for the top hat. So now I'm going to take off these 12mm nuts. So these are the spring compressors I borrowed from AutoZone. They make you leave a $55 deposit, but you get it back once you return them, and they give you 90 days with them. a problem. It's way later now. Put up some lights. Got the impact gun. I look orange. Get the old spring out. This is gonna be horrible lighting, people. I wanted to show you guys the difference between the original spring and the Tein springs. As you can see, the original one is more evenly spread out, and with the Tein ones, it gets more compact at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that.